Hey there, guys. Chet here. There are a lot of new AI tools coming out that promise to act like an AI employee for you. They claim to handle your emails, schedule your meetings, and manage all of your tasks. One of the most interesting of these new tools is called Lindy. At the same time, we have powerful, established automation platforms like n8n. This leads to the big question. Do you need a collection of AI employees like Lindy? Or do you need a powerful automation engine like n8n? They seem to solve similar problems on the surface, but they do it in completely different ways. In this video, we're going to compare n8n and Lindy directly. We'll look at their core approach to automation, their strengths, their weaknesses, and I will explain why I believe n8n is the far more powerful and essential tool for building a truly automated business. And if you decide to try n8n after watching this, I'll leave the official link below so that you can check it out. And if you want to host n8n on your very own server, I've made a separate video showing how to do that with Hostinger step by step. I've also included that link below. Let's start with the core approach of each tool because this really is the biggest difference. Lindy's approach is based on natural language. You talk to it like you would to like a human assistant. You tell it in plain English to do things like read all of my new emails and flag the important ones, or find a time for a meeting with my team next week. You create these AI assistants, which Lindy calls Lindy's, and they handle all of these specific tasks. It feels like you're hiring and talking to a team of helpers. Now, on the other hand, n8n has a visual and structured approach. You do not just tell it what to do in plain English. You build the exact process step by connecting different blocks, which they call nodes, on a visual screen. You define the precise rules, the exact logic, and how your business data moves from one app to the next. It's not about having a conversation with an assistant. It's about building a reliable, visible flowchart for how your business should run. This brings us to the next point, which is reliability and consistency. While the natural language approach of Lindy is very friendly and easy to use, it can sometimes be a weakness for important business tasks. It can feel like a black box. You tell it what you want, and you have to hope that it understands your instructions correctly and performs the tasks the same way every single time. Now, if something goes wrong, it can be hard to know exactly which step failed because the process is not visible to you. This is a major reason why I prefer n8n for business automation. In n8n, the workflow is the process. You can see every single step laid out right there in front of you. If an error happens, you can look at your workflow and see exactly which node failed and why it failed. This makes n8n's automations incredibly reliable, predictable, and much easier to fix. For critical business tasks, this level of clarity and control is absolutely essential. Next, let's talk about flexibility and depth. Lindy comes with a set of pre-built skills and connections for common tasks like emails and calendar management. It's very good at these specific jobs. It is designed to be a great personal productivity assistant right out of the box, and it does that very well. But this is where n8n has a huge advantage. n8n can connect to hundreds and hundreds of different services, far beyond just your email or your calendar. It can talk to your customer databases, your marketing platforms, your accounting software, your project management tools, really any other app that your business uses. You're not limited to a set of pre-built skills for personal tasks. You can build any business process that you can imagine, no matter how complex or unique it is. n8n is a platform for building entire business systems, not just a helper for individual tasks. And learning to build those complete custom business systems is a skill that can totally transform your work. It is a big step up from just automating a few personal tasks. This is exactly what we focus on inside of my school community. I teach you how to use n8n to build these deep, reliable systems from the ground up. I have full courses, workflow templates for real business problems, and we also do live calls to help you get unstuck. If you're ready to build serious automations, the link to that community is down in the description. So here's the final thought. Lindy is an interesting AI assistant that is great for your personal productivity and for handling simple, common tasks using just your voice or text. But if you need to build reliable, custom, and complex automations that connect all the different parts of your entire business, you need a true workflow platform. n8n gives you the visual control, the reliability, and the unlimited flexibility that a serious business needs to grow and succeed. All right, that's the end of this video. I hope this comparison helps you see the difference between an AI helper and a true business automation platform. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.